Hey everybody, it's me. We're back. Doing one more. Just one more. Maybe two. Maybe 3 or 4. 5 or 6, 7 or 8. 9 or 10. 20 or 30. Who knows? At any rate, here's this one here. Little Tracy Lawrence. There it is. A little Paint Me a Birmingham. Make it look just the way I planned. Little house on the edge of town. He was sitting there, his brush in hand, painting waves as they danced upon the sand. With every stroke he brought to life the deep blue of the ocean against the morning sky. And I asked him if he only painted ocean scenes. He said, for $20 I'll paint you anything. Could you paint me a Birmingham? Make it look just the way I planned. A little house on the edge of town, porch going all the way around. Put her there in the front yard swing. Cotton dress, make it early spring. For a while she'll be mine again. If you could paint me a Birmingham, paint me a Birmingham. He looked at me with knowing eyes and took a canvas from a bag there by his side. Picked up a brush and said to me, son, just where in this picture would you like to be? And I said, if there's any way you can, could you paint me back into her arms again? Could you paint me a Birmingham? Make it look just the way I planned. A little house on the edge of town, porch going all the way around. Put her there in the front yard swing. Cotton dress, make it early spring. For a while she'll be mine again. If you could paint me a Birmingham, paint me a Birmingham. Make it look just the way I planned. A little house on the edge of town, porch going all the way around. Put her there in the front yard swing. Cotton dress, make it early spring. For a while she'll be mine again. If you could paint me a Birmingham, oh, paint me a Birmingham. Paint me a Birmingham or Atlanta, Georgia, or McDonough, Georgia, or paint me a East Tennessee or North Central Florida or something. Paint something. I mean, you got the brushes, you got the canvases right there. I mean, anyway, no, I'm okay. The heat's getting to me a little bit. When I do these videos, I got to turn off the air conditioner because the phone's right next to the vent right there. So yeah, land for me. But at any rate, I'm gonna get off here. Till next time. Same bad place, same bad channel. Catch me later.